Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Creative Tips. So today we will talk about how to create a gradient melted effect in Photoshop. So any further to do it, let's get started. Simply open the Photoshop and create a new canvas of 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the type tool and type a random text like this. Hit OK. Transform your text using a shortcut key Ctrl T. Increase your text size and hit OK. Adjust the alignment of your text layer. Right click and convert to smart object of your text layer. Simply click on this icon to create a new adjustment layer of gradient map on the top of text layer. Click here to edit your gradient. Click on this slider to change your slider color black to white and create a 3 or 4 sliders of different colors. Hit OK. Collapse the properties of gradient map. Click on this layer. Go to the filter, blur library and choose tilt shift blur. Click on this circle and like this. Rotate the blur sliders. Increase the blur intensity and hit OK. Here we go. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.